In this video, we will introduce you RFID Fixed Assets Management System. Fixed asset is an important part of enterprise property. Assets exists in various forms including office desks, chairs, computers, production materials, equipment, and the valuable instruments etc. Some assets have the characteristics of a high value, high mobility, and are difficult to manage. Safely managing and locating important assets became key challenge for business with the booming of Internet of Things. RFID has become the must-have tracking technology to help organizations manage their valuable assets. Solution functions. The RFID asset tracking system uses a radio frequency identification technology to establish a one-to-one unique correspondence between the assets and RFID tags. The RFID tags transmit data the RFID readers to realize the locating and the tracking of a corporate assets, whether they are computers, printers in office, wheelchair, ventilators in hospitals, pumping in construction field, or tourists in factory etc. The RFID system can provide real-time data for them. Meanwhile, the system monitors the mobility of variable assets by control the personnel entering and exiting in office area. It will issue alarms for illegally bringing out. With this RFID asset management system, enterprise can establish a over advanced standardized and optimized management mechanism. Solution components. UHF passive RFID tag. Affordable choice for most assets. There are passive tags can be simple enough to be attached or embedded into other objects. Active RFID tags. Tags with the battery inside. They offer longer range. An omnidirectional rating 100 meters adjustable. Ideal for valuable assets management. Portable RFID data terminal. The RFID reader which reads tags information and transmits the data to asset tracking dashboard, where all asset status stored, evaluated, and actioned. RFID asset management to stop the wheel. A dashboard software wheel which contains assets reduced nutrition asset immigrating, asset management, monitoring statistics system management, etc. For more information, please visit our website or contact us. Thank you.